Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best dual hose portable air conditioner you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In modern times, if there is one luxury that we enjoy regularly, it's going to be an air conditioner. Returning to a space that's hot and damp can be pretty uncomfortable. When it comes to cooling a big space with high ceilings, a portable air conditioner is insufficient. However, in the case of a dual hose portable AC unit, the performance can astound you. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Winter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner ARC143MX. For several years, Winter has been a household name in the portable air conditioner industry. This company is known for producing environmentally friendly goods that are lead-free and use non-CFC refrigerant. It has a dual hose operation and a cooling efficiency of 14,000 BTUs, which is ideal for a 600 to 800 square foot space. This system has been designed for high-efficiency cooling, dehumidifying, and filtering the ambient air. The patented auto drain technology helps to collect, use, and recycle moisture in the environment during the cooling process, after which the condensation process starts automatically without any manual interaction. The air conditioner's use is made simpler by the rolling casters and the full function remote control. It has dual hose service, making it ideal for cooling larger spaces. The auto on/off feature works well to help you save money on electricity. It only necessitates minimal maintenance because the carbon filter must be cleaned every now and then for optimum cooling efficiency. On number 4, Edge Star Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. This dual hose portable air conditioner with 8,000 BTUs is ideal for spot cooling a small space ranging from 150 to 225 square feet. This product's lateral air discharge louvers are a great function. It comes with a 24-hour programmable timer for automatically turning on and off the air conditioner. Plus, you can set the fan speed by selecting one of the 3 different levels. The dehumidifying function of this dual hose air conditioner keeps the room cool and comfortable in all weather conditions. This feature is beneficial in preventing the growth of harmful viruses and bacteria. It doesn't consume too much space in your room due to its compact size. It has a washable pre-filter and a replaceable carbon filter. Since this portable air conditioner must be vented, it includes a window package as well as an extendable exhaust hose. It is reasonably priced. If you are on a tight budget, this model is the best choice. On number 3, LG Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Among the other dual hose portable air conditioners, this is the most common. It performs admirably in terms of cooling and produces very little noise when doing so. This model will create a relaxing and relaxed atmosphere for you. It's fairly compact, and it's packed with rolling casters, making it quick to carry around the building. It has a cooling capacity of 8,000 BTUs, which is quite decent for an area of 150 to 200 square feet. You can also operate it at a variable speed other than having to opt for the maximum speed or nothing. And this unit also works effectively to help you save on energy costs with its 24-hour programmable timer. It has a sleek contemporary design that will complement all style of home decor. It has a fantastic air vent mechanism called auto swing, which is usually used in split air conditioners. Furthermore, the auto swing feature, with its top, inclined air discharge, uniformly distributes the cool breeze throughout the space. It also includes an auto evaporation system and a dehumidifier that can remove up to 1.8 pints of moisture every hour. On number 2, Winter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner ARC14S. This is the famous dual hose portable air conditioner, which has a sleek design and is designed to last. The Winter air conditioner has 3 operating modes and 3 fan speed settings. You have the choice of using the dehumidifier, air conditioner, or fan mode. The temperature settings are such that you can use it comfortably in all seasons. The dehumidifying capability of this unit is around 101 pints per day. Plus, you can shift this unit from one room to another as it comes with portable casters, which is an essential feature. It's an affordable system when compared to the quality and functions of other air conditioners. This device is ideal for cooling up to 500 square feet of space. The system is simple to use and includes a 24-hour programmable timer. The thermostats can be operated using the available digital display or the full function remote control. Overall, the operation is quiet, and the carbon air filters that come along with this unit is also pretty efficient. These filters are also replaceable and washable. On number 1, Winter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner with Heater ARC14SH. This is an award-winning portable air conditioner that can be used all year long. It can be used to heat your room in the winter, to dehumidify in the monsoons, and to cool your room in the summer. It stands out from the crowd due to its 3-in-1 service. It has a digital monitor and an electronic control panel. The cooling capacity of the unit is around 14,000 BTUs. You can save your energy cost by using the programmable timer correctly. The heating and dehumidifying capacity of this unit are comparatively better than the other systems. It has a proprietary auto drain feature that automatically drains all condensates without the need for manual intervention. Because of the high quality casters, the operation is quiet, and you can move the machine without creating any friction on the ground. It's an eco-friendly unit that is wholly lead-free, and it uses CFC-free green refrigerant. It comes with quality carbon filters that are washable. And if maintained properly, it can last you for a lifetime, as it can function efficiently. Moreover, the unit also boasts of an air filter that has an anti-microbial airflow that removes dust, pet hair, as well as dander. So guys, this was the video about the best dual hose portable air conditioner. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.